In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Roblox Studio on your PC or laptop step by step. First, open any web browser on your computer. That can be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Google Chrome. Any browser works. Now move to the top address bar and type roblox.com. Then press enter. Or if you prefer, you can search Roblox on Google. Then click the official Roblox website. Once Roblox opens, click Sign In. Then enter your account details and log in. After signing in, you'll be on the Roblox homepage. Now look at the top menu bar, near the top of the page, and click Create. This section is where Roblox keeps all the creator tools, including Roblox Studio. If your page looks different, that's okay. Move to the top address bar again. Then type create roblox.com and press enter. When the page loads, look to the left side and click Home. Now on the page, you may see Get Roblox Studio. If you do, simply click Download. If you don't see it, look over to the left side menu. Then click All Tools. Now scroll down until you reach Learn. Then click Get Started. Once the installer downloads, it may open automatically. If it doesn't, open File Explorer. Then on the left side, click Downloads. Now find Roblox Studio Installer and double-click it. The installer will start. Give it a few seconds. Roblox Studio will install, and then it will open automatically. If Roblox Studio asks you to sign in, enter your Roblox account. Then click Sign In. If you were already signed in, it may open straight away. Now Roblox Studio is ready. Look over to the left side and click New Experience. Then Roblox will create a new base project, and you can start building. You can also look on the left side and click Templates. Then choose one and start from there. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Roblox Studio. And now you're ready to create your own Roblox games and experiences. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.